Okay, so when you talk about here, the HTML is a markup language. Why we call it a markup language means it will contains all the tags. Okay, I'll show you what it is a tag. And easy to describe the simplest form of web pages. Okay, to design the single web pages, we use this markup language. Got it? It is a main markup language web for web pages. Okay, suppose when you talk about your notebook, the group of pages you'll call as a notebook. The same way, the group of web pages we call as a website. Understand? The single page we need to design. Those all pages we combine and we call as a website. Got it? And to design that website, the basic language we need to learn is HTML. Got it? And the abbreviation is what? Hypertext markup language. We know already, right? And when the want to see your output, we require some browsers. To see your output of your coding, we needed some browsers. It may be Opera, Chrome, Firefox, whatever it may be. We had many browsers, right? And so when you talk about that, here when you are writing the HTML code, we need to follow these all rules. Okay, these all rules we need to follow. But first we need to know that what is a tag. Markup language at all, right? It means it contains all the tags at all, right? And the tag is nothing but less than symbol, HTML and greater than symbol. This we called as an opening tag, and less than symbol forward slash HTML and greater than symbol. This we called as an closing tag, ending tag or closing tag. Okay, starting tag or opening tag. Okay, closing tag or ending tag. We can call anytime. This entirely we call as pair of tags. Understand? Pair of tags. How we have the pair of chapels? One chapel can we use? The same way we should have the pair of tags. In between the HTML tag, we have the one part. How we have the head and body? The same way head tag, okay, and body tag. Understand? So this is the structure of your HTML. Got it? HTML tag, opening tag and closing tag. In between head part and body part. Okay, this is a structure. What I done in the notepad, each and every symbol, every word I typed. Right? It will time taking. If it is suppose 4 lines of code. If you're doing the project means you need to write the 100,000 lines of code you need to write. Right? So it will take time taking, time killing that. So for that purpose, what we need to do means we need to download this editor. This is one of the editor. Here we'll write the code. Okay, how to code? Just download means code.visualstudio.com. Go for this website. Yes, we had, right? You people know. If it is not there, just install into your system. Got it? Go for this website. This is a website, official website. Okay, some people may not know, just why that's why I'm explaining you. And just go for and click and download. It will downloads. Click next and finish. It will downloads into your system. Right? This is the page. It opens like this. So I'll go for the new window. Okay, this is the page. It opens like this. Okay, this is the one of the editor. We need to write the code. In the particular internet, we have the many editors. Okay, why we are using this Visual Studio Code means it will code very fast, and many companies are using these editors. Okay, in the olden days they used to write the code in the notepad. Understand? They used to write in the notepad, but to make the code very fast, and we are using this particular editor. Understand, Hannah? So now what I'm saying here, we need to write the code here. Just simply go for your file manager. Okay, anywhere in the file manager, create one folder. So where I want to create, just wait. Go for the documents. Here I had a Mohana folder, right? Open that. Here see all the batch numbers we had. Got it? Here I want to create one folder. B12. Okay, HTML. I'm creating one folder. This is the folder I want to maintain in the Visual Studio Code. Go for the Visual Studio Code. Click on the file. Click on the folder. And where it is there? Within the documents. Within the Mohana. What is the folder name? B12 HTML. Select the folder and click on select folder. Am I getting the folder here? Is ask for the trust, click yes. close this welcome page. Am I getting this folder or not? In this folder only we need to maintain all your files what you are practicing. Got it? And beside the folder, we had the option of creating a file, creating a folder, and refreshing and merging. Okay, click on the file. File name we need to write. You can write your own file name. Sample dot HTML we need to give. Dot HTML is must and should. If you are not giving the dot HTML, it will consider as a text file. The text file can't be understood by the browser. We can't see the output if you are not giving the dot HTML. Click enter. Understand, Anna? Did you understand how to create a file? Just beside this folder, we have the file option. Click on the file and simple.html. Click enter. The file will create. Here what I want to do, I want to write the code. Okay, in the form of a tags. I told here HTML. Click enter. Am I getting the pair of tags? Am I writing every symbol, every word? No, it is coming very clearly. HEAD. Click enter. And BODY. Click enter. Understand? So this is the scenario we are getting the, within the seconds we got the structure. In Notepad, I typed every symbol, every letter. It's a time taking. So to make the code very fast, we use this Visual Studio Code. Even though HTML 5 is there, no? If you select 5, even though you'll get the structure. Okay, instead of that, Shift and 1. Okay, you'll get the exclamation symbol. Click enter, even though you'll get the structure. In the body, we need to write the code. Understand? Whatever the content you want to display on the browser, in the body part only we need to write. Got it? So some people will ask to explain this structure also. I'll tell you later. Structure explanation. So suppose I'm writing here, hello, batch 12 I'm writing. Right? Sorry? Ida? I'll explain you later. The structure I'll explain you. Wait. So what I'm saying here, whenever you're writing the code, in between the body part only we need to write. Okay. So this is the code we need have written. So when you talk about that, after writing the code, what we need to do? Suppose I'm writing here, hello, Kapil I wrote. What I want to do? I want to save the file. Right? Can you see the dot? Right? It means the file is not saved. For the what is the shortcut for saving the file? What is the shortcut key in the keyboard to save the file? No. ఫైల్ సేవ్ చేయడానికి కీబోర్డ్లో షార్ట్ కట్ ఏంటి? మీరు వర్డ్ ఎంఎస్ వర్డ్ ఒకటి యూస్ చేస్తారా? ఎస్ ఏం క్లిక్ చేయాలి? కంట్రోల్ ఎస్. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో వెన్ యూ టాక్ అబౌట్ దట్ కంట్రోల్ ఎస్, సి డాట్ ఈస్ గాన్. డాట్ పోయింది చూడండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, సపోజ్ వెన్ ఐమ్ రైటింగ్ అనదర్ వర్డ్, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ అగైన్ డాట్ ఐమ్ గెటింగ్, it means you need to save the file every time. Okay, you'll forget sometimes. So for that purpose, go for file and click on auto save. Okay, the file will save automatically. Control S is a shortcut, right? And suppose I want to check this output. For checking the output, we have the two ways. Okay, the first way is go for the file manager. Where is our file? Directly also you can run the two ways. First way I'm telling you. Okay, go for the folder, and what is the file name? Sample or simple? Simple.html. Okay, and double click on the file. Am I getting the output or not? Right? Hello B12 and hello Kapil IT is coming. When you check this URL, what is there? The entire file path is there. C drive, users, Lenovo, document, Mohana, B12 HTML and file name we had. Okay, this is the first way to check the output. The second way is what? Where here we can run code. Where you will get the output? It is telling code language not supporting for defined. Okay, the next way is here right click on the code and there is an option of open with live server. Click on it. Am I getting the output or not? Can you see this URL? What is showing? 127 0.0.1 5500. Amma? That is, this is an HTML document, Nana. Okay, if it is a programming language, it will run. Got it? So that is what. The document always require the browser related output. Right? The HTML document always it will comes on the browser only. Got it? So again what I'm saying, right click, open with live server. This option it won't show for you people if you are using the for first time. This is an extension you need to add into your system, into the Visual Studio Code. You people have the Chrome extensions, right? The same way this is a live server is an extension we need to add into the editor. This is a particular Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, for the first time if you are using this option it won't show. Then what I want to do is, so it is coming output. What the live server will do, it will save the file and it will shows the content on the browser. Okay, and your file is running with the help of the port number 127 0.0.15500 is a port number. Port number in the sense for suppose you people are ordering a food, you can track the food where it is, right? When you are booking a cab, you can track with the help of the device port numbers only they can track. So every device will have the port number. So with that port number we are running the file. Understand? So what I'm saying here, we need to run the file. Right click. For this live extension, we need to add the extension. For that purpose, suppose if you go here, this is an explorer, will maintain all the files. Search, okay, source control, debugging purpose, and this is an extensions. Click on extensions and search for live server. Understand? We had many live servers, right? Go for the first one. It is showing C 5.7.9. Okay, check this version. And here already done, so it is showing the uninstall. For you people, it will show the install. Click on it, simple. Then automatically the live server will install into your particular Visual Studio Code. Automatically it will shows the option of open with live server. Understand? This is the way we need to install this particular, add the extension. Then what the live server will do, it will saves the file, open the content on the browser. Got it? So, and moreover, here what I'm saying here, something content I wrote in the particular body part. We should not write like this plain text. Got it? Whenever we are writing the any content, we need to use any one of the tag. Okay, tag means suppose I'm taking the paragraph tag. In between that, we need to write the content. The plain text we should not write in the body part. Any tag, suppose I want to place the heading, heading tag is there. If I want to place the image, image tag is there. Got it? If I want to place the video, video tag is there. In HTML, we have the many tags. Got it? So like this we need to use. It will be useful for writing the CSS also. Got it? Adhamainamma? And if you check the same output, you'll get no differences. But the plain text we should not write within the body part. And when you talk about the particular content, here we have the heading tags. H1 to how many heading tags? No, just a minute. We have the 6 different heading tags. H2, okay, H3. They design like that only. H5. Okay, what a heading tags will do? అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి? Every element has a different behavior. Okay, this is the paragraph. It has a different behavior. This is an heading tag. It has a different behavior. Yes, wait. This is what content at all. Okay, the content only we can see on the browser. Yes or no? Here also, what is the content here? Kapil is a content. Okay, suppose I'm writing here another paragraph tag. Is it useful? Is there any content? Is will display anything on the browser? No. So content is very important in between the tags. Yes, you can write any content, right? So this is the heading tags H1 to H6. Why H6 means the size of any particular tag will be go on decreasing. right? Which size you want for your web development, you can use that one. What the heading tag will do, it will make the content big and bold. Okay, we can use, no problem. Yes. Mm. H1 I used. Okay, suppose H1 I kept here. What is there? Only H1 I displayed. One tag also we can use, but the size is fixed. It won't change. Okay, size will decrease. Okay, actual size is what? Whatever the size which is displaying on the browser, it is the same size. So I keep remaining in the comments. Okay, so just what? See, the remaining are coming. This is an actual size of H2. The same size will display in all pages. Even the H6 also the same size. Understand? Even though you are using the one tag or something, all tags, it is not a problem. I'm showing all the tags. How many tags are there? Heading tags. All pair of tags. Is that or not? There is an opening tag, closing tag, in between content. Understand? These we call as an heading tags. So this is a comments on a control and forward slash. Okay. Here we can write the your own content. Heading tags. It won't consider and it won't display anything on the browser. It is for our understanding purpose. Note and రాసుకుంటారు కదా notebook లో important points like that you can write. Okay, the next one is what? Control and forward slash paragraph I'm writing. Paragraph means what? Which tag? P tag. Okay, LOREM. Click enter. Okay, it will give the dummy paragraph for practice purpose. That's it. Okay, don't try to learn, you can't understand. Got it? And this is what paragraph. Suppose I'm taking the P tag again. P tag LOREM 10 I'm giving. Sorry. Paragraph LOREM 10 I'm giving Nana. You will get only 10 words. 10 words. 5 means 5 words only you'll get. 2000 means 2000 words you'll get. Okay, like that you can give the paragraph. Understand? So what? Heading tags and paragraph tags. Understand? We will tell. Next వస్తాయి next class. అన్నీ ఒకే రోజు తినేదే కదా. When you born, you eat biryani. ఫస్ట్ సెర్లాక్ తినాలి. బాగున్నా నచ్చినా నచ్చకపోయినా అవునా? బిర్యానీ తింటే అరుగుతుందా మనకి? వన్ బై వన్ we can get. Did you understand this? Okay, how many ways we can run? We can go for the file manager. We can double click on the file, automatically run. Otherwise, open with live server. And when you talk about the tags, there is an opening tag and closing tag. I'm going here next tag, that is nothing but a break tag. Break, BR. Okay, is there any closing tag? We had only one tag. These we called as an empty tags. Again HR. HR. They design like that only, Nana. It is a predefined code. I did not design this code. Right? Break to give the space and go to the next line. Okay, suppose if I gave in between the paragraph, if I gave the break tag, it will go for the next line, that remaining paragraph. Next line. It will break the line and it comes to the next line. This HR means it will give the horizontal line. Understand? So then what? It has only one opening tag. There is no closing tag. This we called as a pair of tags. Opening tag and closing tag. These we called as an empty tags. Okay, the tag which is not having the closing tag we called as an empty tags. Okay, sometimes when you're talking about the React will follow the strict rules and it will ask for the closing tag. Right? Then what we'll do means we will do the self close. Okay, it means the same tag will behave like an opening, the same tag will behave like a closing. Understand? When you talk about the React will follow the strict rules. There is no closing tag and it will show the error. Understand? So that's in the scenario we need to use the self close. Okay, in HTML what we learn? Pair of tags and empty tags also you'll have. Adhamainda. Clear? So this is what we need to understand that. So what I'm telling here, whenever you're writing the code, this is the rules we need to follow. I'm telling. Before that, can you see this diagram? Opening tag, closing tag, between content, tag with content, element we call. What we are learning? We are not learning the tags, we are learning the elements. Heading elements, paragraph elements, image elements. Without the content, is the tag is useful? No. So tag with content is only it will be useful. Okay, tag with content what we call? Element we call. We are going to learn all the elements. Got it? So the rules we need to follow. An HTML element starts with the opening tag. Yes or no? A HTML element ends with the closing tag. An HTML tag starts with the less than and ends with the greater than symbols. The letter between these are abbreviations. Am I writing the full form? Paragraph means P I'm writing. Heading means H1 I'm writing. Abbreviations all I'm writing, right? And the element content is everything between the starting and ending. Content is very, very important. Okay, some HTML elements are empty. Break and HR we discussed, right? Empty elements are closed in the starting tag. Self close at all, no? And make it a habit to type all your tags in the lowercase. It is a good practice. You can type in the capital letters also, not a problem. But typing in the small letters, it will be a good practice. Clear? These are the rules we need to follow and we need to write the code. And whenever you're talking about here, structure, they will ask. Explain me the structure. Right. Suppose when you talk about here, there is in the first line we have the doc type HTML. It means it is a fifth version. If you remove this, it will consider as a previous version. Understand? Compulsory we need to give the doc type HTML. Means it is a fifth version. And meta information we can discuss in the bootstrap, not here. And the title, it will display like a tab name. Suppose I'm writing here skills. No. Okay, what I wrote title? I'll tell you. What is the title here? Skills. Where it will display? On the tab name, it will display skills. Okay. And without the structure, we can't run the file. Nana. Suppose how to run the structure? What I told, shift and 1. We'll get the exclamatory symbol and click enter. We'll get the structure. Or else HTML type and go for the fifth. And even though you'll get the structure. In between the body, we need to write the code. Otherwise, manually, if you want to type it, you can type this enter thing. Okay. To yes, HTML5 or shift and 1 exclamatory symbol on the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3 top lo unte chudandi keyboard lo top lo 1 nokkothe meeku automatically shift and 1 shift and 1 click enter automatically get the structure. Clear? Just go home, create one file, write the code and run the code and check it output. That is the task you need to do today. Okay, just if you are not able to do, follow the record. మీరు చేయలేకపోతే రికార్డింగ్ ఫాలో అయ్యి ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా, రికార్డింగ్ పంపిస్తారు మీకు. అర్థమైందా? క్లియర్ నానా? టుమారో వీ కెన్ డిస్కస్ ద రిమైనింగ్ టాపిక్స్. Any online people? Any online people? Just a minute, it's going actually. It will be recording will be happen and automatically. Okay, Vamshi will take care. Okay, just stop. I think so. Okay, I think it's. Any online people? No, 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 no online people. Okay, so no problem. That is myself only. Okay, so I'm ending here, Nana. So you people can just